Good morning, Brian at Front Range Home Inspections. I'm on a roof here over in Loveland. Had a couple issues on a roof. Kind of have a surface that's been hailed out. Have a lot of hail damage and wear on this roof. Also have flashings missing around skylight. Looks like a homemade skylight. We've got the worn flashings. The rubber boots are worn, and that's gonna tend to leak as well. Just deferred maintenance on some of the trim and paint. We do have some of the flashings in place around those. Have flashings in our valleys. Things that we're pretty much looking for on a roof. Just all of these are wiped out on the rubber boots, and that'll cause leaks inside. Plumbing vents, heating vents. This one's got a active mitigation system with a fan, in the attic for the radon mitigation over there. Over here we've got some jacks, roof jacks, that are supposed to be covered past the point of the penetration, and then this will stick out underneath. Is how you put a flashing in. So these were added later. So a lot of issues on this roof. And again, the main one being hailed out, so it's going to need replacement. And when they do that, they can fix a lot of these other issues at the same time, as long as they pull a permit and get it done by a professional. Till next time, Brian at Front Range Home Inspections.